So here is my new bike and the video I promised. Sadly, I messed up my recording driving this home. I accidentally double tapped the recording button, so yeah, sadly no footage from that first ride, but yeah, I will do some more recordings really soon. But yeah, it's a Yamaha Virago 1100cc from '94. So yeah, a cruiser. And the wife is a lot more happy about this bike than my W650. Yeah, real nice. The mirrors, I took those off as soon as I got home. Hideous mirrors in my opinion. I'm also no fan of the turn indicators, almost as big as the headlight. So yeah, I have ordered new, smaller, a bit more streamlined ones. Yeah, might also swap the brake light. I'm not sure if I'm able to do that nicely, but yeah, we will see. And I've also ordered some saddlebags to put on it. And here are also some pictures the next day after some cleaning. And you can also see the new bar and mirrors I fitted on the bike. I actually have to adjust them slightly, at least one to the left. When someone's riding behind me, it's a bit hard to see. So I will try to find a better spot for it. But otherwise, I really thought this was a really cool fitting on this bike. Not as obvious that there are mirrors on it. And yeah, here it's also in the garage beside my W650.